ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತರ್ಜಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿ
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com.
Acrex made its debut in Bangalore in 1990, and I had the privilege of being the chairman of the first Acrex. This is the 15th edition of Acrex, the year of showcasing excellence in HVAC&R. I am indeed honored to be chairman of Acrex during its Silver Jubilee year. Prospects of Acrex would be in line with the overall economic scenario, with the truncated growth rates and business environment both nationally and globally. Keeping a comfortable growth rate for Acrex would be a daunting task. But I assure you that we will put all our efforts to keep up the tempo. In keeping with this, we at Acrex 2015 would like to have 2 new growth areas to offset the effects of present economic trend. As often said, you need to keep running to stay where you are. Cold chain is already a well-known sector in the HVAC or industry, but some emphasis is needed considering its importance to food safety and exportability of food and agricultural products. There is increasing awareness of this in the government, public and private sectors, and we need to leverage this aspect in getting more space in Acrex for these products and services. Also, very focused communication and publicity is required to bring in business visitors in the cold chain sector. The variety of end users could be quite diverse, ranging from sophisticated multinational retailers to rural businessmen in the food and agriculture sector. We may need to focus on vernacular media in the neighboring states. Good amount of working with government agencies would also be required. All these efforts will be put in for the mutual benefit of exhibitors and Acrex.
Acrex was invented in Bangalore in the year 1990. Exactly after 25 years, we are again coming back to Bangalore. Acrex is South Asia's largest exposition on air conditioning, refrigeration and allied building services. There is literally no application without air conditioning. Air conditioning has become part and parcel of our life. So you will be witnessing during Acrex the cutting edge technology products, plus there will be a lot of international exhibitors. They will be showing you what is the technology available world over. Not only that, food for the eyes, food for the thought. There will be a lot of seminars and workshops will be happening. Dissemination of knowledge will be happening, and as there the evenings will be a lot of fellowships. That is what you are going to see in Acrex. See, as I was telling, the past experience says that we crossed more than 400 exhibitors. Out of that, more than 150 to 200 are international exhibitors there. And we strike almost 30,000 visitors and 7,000 to 8,000 visitors from abroad. So that is a great show. It's a truly international show there. Any product, any project, Bangalore, they try it. In the same way, the venue of Bangalore also is a good venue. It's a LEED certified venue, one of the best venues in the country there. And many people, from abroad, particularly I travel a lot to US. We have a similar show called AHR Expo. They know Bangalore. More than, like Mumbai and Delhi, next is they know Bangalore. That is the reason we have Acrex in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, and it's an IT capital. In fact, I will put it other word that literally all the MNCs are there, like Carrier, Daikin, Samsung, LG, you name it, all the companies are there, and we thank all of them for participating.